Welcome to Ryan's World. Today we explore the intricacies and the complexities of my bed. We begin with my car. What we have here, was the compressor for the air conditioner. I put an air filter on it. I put a pressure gauge on it. I put a pressure switch on it. That switches the clutch. As you can see, we are running approximately 150 pounds per square inch right now. We have air coming out of here. Air going up here, going into the house. Haha, this is gonna be great, isn't it? We have air. Air. Here we go. Close that behind me. Okay, we go downstairs. Haha. You know, the car is only part of the equation. The other part of the equation is right here. We have air coming from the car, air going to the bed, air coming from the other compressor. That's right. I don't always have my car parked outside there running. And deep in here, well, you can hear it. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there's a flashlight here. There it is. The other compressor. Liquid cooled. We have, under the stairs, we have, the tank. The reservoir. Okay, enough of that. Okay, here we go. We have the bed itself. Check this baby out. Is there enough light? Looks awfully dark. Oh well, such is life. Okay, here we go. Righto. Oh wait, let me check that angle one more time. Yeah, let's not chop my head off. Okay, here we go. Pillow. Right. Here we go. Oh, my back is killing me. Oh, wasn't that just fantastic, though?